Hello agents and welcome to Happy Hour. I am so thrilled to be making the Royal Caribbean Pomegranate Martini. Thanks so much to the folks at Royal Caribbean for sending this recipe over, as we know it's a favorite of everyone's. So let's get started. I'm an amateur bartender. We are going to double this recipe because I found in my practice runs that it would fill the whole glass. So we are going to start with 3 ounces of Absolut Citron. And if you're not sure what Absolut Citron is, it is a lemon flavored vodka. And we're gonna put that right in our martini shaker that has ice in it. And then we're gonna put in 1 ounce of pomegranate liqueur to our shaker. And then we're gonna shake it up, just like a cocktail. And then this is like, to get it off. It gets so cold. Oh, good Lord. Champ, can you help me? It's not coming out. Let's see if we can. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, seriously. It is like on here. Oh, here we go. All right, there we go. I know you guys like when I goof. All right, and we're pouring it into our glass. Look at the beautiful color. Perfect. So you can add a twist if you want, a lemon twist. Oh, again, let's try that one more time. There we go. And we're gonna bring it over the glass and kind of squeeze so some of those oils come out. Then we're gonna rub the outside rim and rub the stem. That way when you're drinking and when you're touching, you kind of get that scent of the lemon. You're gonna give a little twist and throw it in the glass. And cheers, enjoy. Perfection.